In this video, I, Ata Artan, will show you the perfect shampoo that should be sold in the stores and the one that you should buy. Let me introduce you to Wella SB Men, a shampoo at its finest. Well, there's a lot to learn about this shampoo, so let's get going. Firstly, I will talk to you about the physical and the chemical properties of this shampoo. Let's start with the physical properties. Just like most of the shampoos, this shampoo is in liquid form. Secondly, it is transparent, and it has a very light blue color. Also, it has a sweet apple odor. Lastly, as it can be seen in the following video, my shampoo is a lot more viscous than water. While water can be easily poured inside the beaker, it takes a lot longer for the shampoo to pour inside the beaker. Now, let's take a look at the chemical properties of the shampoo. Firstly, as it will be seen, the shampoo is not flammable. Secondly, this shampoo has a pH level of 5. Lastly, the shampoo is reactive with bases. Let's take a look at the following video, where I'll mix my shampoo with potassium hydroxide, which is a base. This is my potassium hydroxide. This is where my shampoo is, and the mixture of my shampoo and potassium hydroxide. Now, let's take a look at the pH levels of each substance. As it can be seen, my shampoo left an orange color, which is level 5 in the pH scale. And the potassium hydroxide has left a dirty green color, which represents the pH level of 10. But when we look at the mixture of my shampoo and potassium hydroxide, we can see that the color is dirty yellowish, which is the pH level of 7. Hence, we can say that the shampoo became neutralized from being acidic. Now, let's take a look at the major ingredients of the shampoo and their roles. Let's start off with water. Water is an active ingredient of a shampoo. It is the primary ingredient in all shampoos, and it makes up about 70 to 80% of the entire formula. It helps dilute the detergents, makes the formula easier to spread, and reduces irritation. Let's continue with sodium lauryl sulfate. The second most abundant ingredient in a shampoo are the detergents, and sodium lauryl sulfate is one of them. It is one of the primary cleansing ingredients in the shampoo. It is derived from natural fatty acids or petroleum derivatives. It is a mild cleansing agent due to a higher amount and different chemical structure of the fatty alcohols that required to manufacture this cleansing agent. The usage of sodium lauryl sulfate is known to be safe. The third ingredient is methylparaben. Methylparaben is a preservative. Since any formula that contains water holds the potential to be contaminated by bacteria and other microbes, methylparaben is added to prevent such growth. And lastly, citric acid. The surface of a strand of hair is covered with overlapping sheets which are like the scales on a fish. This surface is called the cuticle. Alkaline solutions raise these scales, so they stand up. This makes the hair look duller, get rougher, and makes the hair shafts stick together due to the rough texture. This is why shampoos are made slightly acidic. By being slightly acidic, it allows to keep the cuticle smooth and lying flat on the hair shaft. Citric acid is added to acidify the shampoo. Before I conclude, I would like to take your attention to few of the possible health impacts of this shampoo. Firstly, sodium lauryl sulfate is one of the ingredients that are found in the shampoo, and this ingredient is considered hazardous at high concentrations. These are the reasons why. Sodium lauryl sulfate produces nitrosamines. Nitrosamines are considered to be a potential carcinogen that may cause the body to absorb nitrates at higher levels. Sodium lauryl sulfate in shampoos can form carcinogenic nitrates that can enter the bloodstream in large numbers. These nitrates can cause skin rashes, hair loss, eye irritations, and allergic reactions. While the chances of these happening are very low, the user should avoid the contact of the shampoo with their eyes and also avoid swallowing it. Linalool is another ingredient that might affect the health of the user. It is also considered hazardous at high concentrations. Linalool breaks down when it contacts with oxygen. This forms an oxidized byproduct that may cause allergic reactions such as eczema in few individuals. In order to minimize the exposure of linalool with oxygen, it is recommended to not buy large bottles of shampoo and replacing the lid after each use. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy your Wella SP Men shampoo.